Hey, what's going on, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video. Man, why do I look all... let's see what's going on with this. Is that better? I think that might be a little bit better. I don't know. I was looking kind of bright. Anyway, man, we are finally on the way to get some haircuts, man. Me and the boys, taking care of the boys over there, taking care of this one over here with this mop head. Finally gonna get that haircut. Huh?
I didn't hear you.
Nah, that's cool. Yeah, you didn't need to hear what I said. But anyway. Anyway, but yeah, man, it's been man, how long has it been? Like 2.5 months?
Like 5 months.
Nah,
like 4 months.
It's probably been about 3 months because we were due to get our haircuts when all this happened. So we normally go about every other week because 4 of us had to bill in itself. So we normally go about every other week, and I think it was that week that we were due to go, and all this stuff happened. So I had to cancel. As a matter of fact, I think I was supposed to go. We were supposed to go like within like a day or two, and he had to tell me that they had to close down and cancel. So we've been out of a haircut now for a good 3 months. So it's crazy, man. But today is the day where we are gonna go in and we're gonna look refreshed. You got Gianni back there and Noah too.
Hey, how are you?
What?
Hey, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
Hey, Noah, look up. Noah, look up. Man, come on, for real.
They're ugly. Core team done bad.
Well, no, I mean, I'm feeling a lot of people can speak for your hair looking bad, and mine as well. Wait up. Let's see mine. See, mine is just hot mess.
What you gonna get? Gianni?
Look at this. Like, what's that?
There I go, man. And just like that, we are back in business, man. Look at that. It's been a long time coming.
Yeah, 1 to 6.
He kept that mop on his head, but faded up the sides though. What'd you say, no?
Yeah, to 1 to 6.
I know, man. It took a long time. I told you it was gonna take a long time. Not 1 to 6. We got here at 2:45, 2:40. Let me see your haircut. Turn to the other side. Turn on the way. There you go. Look at that. Looking like grown men again. You see yours, Gianni?
Look at that.
How it look? Turn to the side.
I'm trying to turn and look.
Exactly.
Turn
to the side.
Wait up.
There you go. Looking good, man. Looking
That's
good.
the other side.
Good. They're looking good to play Fortnite at the crib.
Okay, there's only one person that plays Fortnite here.
Who's that? Oh, that's you. I'm sorry. Well, whatever they play. What do you play? Rocket League? Gianni?
No?
No,
Yeah.
I play Apex.
Oh, Apex. I don't know what none of those games are. I mean, I do know what Fortnite is. I do know Rocket League, but I don't.
No one plays Rocket League.
It's all the same to me.
I play Rocket League more than Fortnite.
More than Fortnite? That's this week. Next week you'll play Fortnite more. And so we out here now. Got Christine right there. Got my dude, the Juice 392. Yeah, man, we out here with everybody, man. Out here looking heavy.
We in these streets. You already
Yeah,
know.
man. Y'all know Garage-Driven was good, man.
Yes, sir.
Man, everybody. Is this it? Is everybody?
That's it. We're ready to go.
Let's go. we here, man. We here at FaTkaT. We made a quick pit stop at FaTkaT dealership. We're getting ready to head into the dealership to go check out a wide body Hellcat, man. So it's gonna be on another video. So make sure I go check that out. But we're making a quick pit stop here, 10-15 minutes. Then we're gonna head out, man. What are you looking like? Bane. Well, you got that mask, man. You got the
Maybe I got that M95.
yeah, man. Well, look at the lineup. Oh, is it? Everybody keeps saying that. Yeah, it's just.
Wow.
Yeah, he was telling me the same thing.
When you came meet us at the gas station?
Yeah.
I was like, what car is that? Now look, I said, man, it's a mid catch, right?
I got catless mids. I got the actual stainless works pipes.
Okay.
And then I got the mid muck delete.
Did you go take your resonators off?
Nope, they in there.
Oh, so they still on?
Yep.
Yeah, definitely loud.
Yeah, he was behind me. He was like, man, this shit pops a lot. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, man. So look at the lineup. We out here. People checking it out. We at the FaTkaT dealership, man. Like I said, we're gonna go in there and check out the that Hellcat wide body in a second. Daytona version. But we out here, man. Look at this. All the way down. All the way down. You know what I'm saying?
Motherfuckers always remember that. From the underground up.
So we out here. We just made it to the to a little cars and coffee meet thing or whatever. We got a few people out here hanging out, chilling. So of course I'll bring you guys all the footage and all that good stuff, man. But we out here just hanging out, chilling, man. Look at that. Yeah, man. Look at that. I like this. It's nice, man. Woo! Ooh! Yeah, what's good, man?
You been?
How's everything?
Good. I'm glad y'all can make it.
Oh, of course. You know, we always gonna come down and show face and support. Is that the 50th anniversary? We just see one. I don't want to get. If you don't want to answer, fine. I understand. I don't want to get into your business. How much did you pay for that?
It's figured at 61. They had a 10 grand bump price on it. I got it for 54.
You got it for 50?
54.
54.
Out the door, tax, everything.
So, because they got one at FaTkaT right there. We just came from FaTkaT, literally right before we came here, and they got it at 64 grand. 64. I was like, Jesus.
It's figured at 62.
But it's nice though. I mean, this.
Yep. It's got everything in it. This is the wide body, and it's got everything in it.
Oh, yeah, it is the wide body. There we go. Yo, you were just asking about that. If they made it in wide body.
Yo, but remember at the dealer that we went to,
It was narrow body.
They officially came out with it. This is the picture that they showed, was the wide body 50.
This is nice.
When I seen it
You see,
in the dealership, I was confused.
I probably would have a problem paying 60 for this.
and it's rare though. How many?
But you can't-
how
but
many
you
of these
can't-
They make, do you know?
Yeah, they made 1920 altogether.
Okay.
They made 7 different colors, and they have 4 versions of each one.
Came hood pins, right?
Came everything the way she said. The only thing I did, I added the headlight inlet tube.
But I'm just saying though, like the way this sits.
Okay, so yo, Jordan, he added that.
That was a bitch.
Oh, he added that.
For real? Like, did you have to take off the nose?
No, what should have took 20 minutes. The cover, I guess the old covers, you had 3 clips and they came off.
Yeah.
This has got 2 T10 torque screws.
Oh shit, that's
And one on this side, you put a universal in there, click, click.
It's a little bit at a time.
Oh, God. So what should have took 20 minutes took an hour.
Damn.
But you see though, like I said, the wide body, the way this sits and everything else, and with it being rare, I can see this being 60. But the narrow body over there, like, come on, bro.
No.
And they wanted 60, and they wanted 64.
The only way you can get
that's
this
really
now,
bright, bro.
the shaker and the wide body, it's a 50th. Now they may change that later,
Yeah.
but
We just saw one at the dealership just now, but it
What was the
wasn't.
tag, if you don't
It
mind
wasn't
me
wide
asking?
body.
It wasn't white, it was narrow body.
What was it?
it's figured at 62. I got it for just under 53.
Wow.
That I could see that.
Yeah.
Yep.
I could see that.
Yeah. And I like how this is bigger too. The RC
Right.
is huge.
That was a good deal, man.
I could see that.
Hey, what's up, by the way?
Yo, hey Chris, I love that new car.
All right, let's let it. I'm about to say this. Let it slide. That's the best way to do
Hey
it.
man, this is
What happens after like
Yeah, long
you
time ago. You want something
got a
about
bunch of dents right here if you keep
hey,
doing that.
this is the Dodge, bro. You just gotta, you know what I'm
Let it
saying? Not a Cadillac, not
A bunch
a,
of dents, though, honestly.
not a what's the name. You just gotta slam that shit. It'd be good. These ain't the same wheels. Are these the factory wheels?
Yeah, this is factory wheels.
What? But that's not the same wheels. Oh, this is wide body.
The gold skull.
You see, I could see the price for this one.
Yep. And they're
You got the wider wheels, you got the concave wheels, you got
20
this.
by 11 all the way around.
This thing lowered, you know, as we like our shit lowered.
Absolutely.
But this thing lowered,
Paul, open it up, man.
disgusting. Bro, can you imagine this thing lowered?
I don't take a picture of that. Can I get it on top
car
of the weather map?
I just showed on the 50, man. Don't worry
I don't know.
about that.
I got my weather map.
Do they have different colors or is it just this color?
No, there's
Because when we seen it at the dealership, it's the same color.
yeah, no, there's Hell Raisin, there's Gold Mango,
Oh yeah?
there's Gold Dust. The Gold Dust is the only car that you can get, which is a limited color. It's only available in the 50. And she didn't like that color. She didn't like that color.
This is nice though.
The other one
Oh,
coming out is cinnamon stick.
and I think that 50 is different too. The 50, the stitching was in gold.
It should have been gold.
Was it gold? I gotta make sure I check
Yeah, no, we gotta sit down on camera.
the video. Yeah.
Carbon fiber and the
Sit
inserts.
down.
I like this way better than I think
It's a nice
This is nice, man.
Somebody did yo.
She's kicking us out. You kicking us out?
Huh?
Kicking us out?
No.
No?
As long as there's no racing.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Oh no, racing. We're not racing. We like to look good. We don't like to race.
Okay. Well, that's all I.
That
Yeah, you like that. That keeps the kids happy.
keeps the kids happy.
All right. See you later, guys.
All right.
That's how you leave. You can drive.
That boy. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, yo. My dirty little secret, I would probably daily drive that for sure.
Yeah, I thought you were about to say. I think you about to say you would date a girl that drive that.
No.
I was about to say, what the fuck you
daily
doing?
drive that. Man, I don't know what he's talking about.
Don't football right there. We all have a lunch.
We out breaking bread real quick.
Yeah, we
had
having lunch.
Mission Barbecue. We was gonna go to Chick-fil-A, but Chick-fil-A can't sit inside, so we decided to go to Mission Barbecue right around the corner. And what's the name? Anyway, we'll eat us some barbecue real quick and then head out from here and go back to the crib. You know what I'm saying? just like that, man, we are back home. Christine back in the garage. Look at that, kissing the wall. What y'all know about that? Garage wall life. Yeah, man, so we back at the crib, man. It was a good day today. Had a lot of fun with the fellas. You know, nothing too crazy, nothing too major, but you know, went out there, rode out for a little bit, sat down, break some bread, eating all that together, man. Like I said, that's just you know, a little bit of time with the dudes, with the fellas, nothing too crazy. Wasn't even all day, man. It was just a couple hours, man. But you know, that's what we need, man, just to get out, kind of a little bit, roll with the guys, and call it a day, man. So anyway, so that is it for this one. Oh, by the way, oh, y'all seen the video already, man. I got my haircut. That was yesterday, actually. So today is a whole new day if you don't know. But yeah, man, so got the haircut. Finally, no more craziness. Look at that. Damn. So yeah, man, got the cut. Hanging out with the fellas today. Got some wings. I mean, more pretty ass one, man. I'm about to go take a shower and chill with the family, chill with the wife and everything else now, man. So we're all good. Anyway, other than that, hope everybody stays safe. You know what I'm saying, during this time. Seems like we're getting back to normal a little bit. So, you know, hopefully everybody is staying safe so that we can fully do that and not have a relapse, man. So, other than that, though, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man, as I always say. And make sure y'all always stay genuine to yourselves, man, no matter what, man. Stay true to yourself, stay genuine, you know what I'm saying? Anything else will be uncivilized, man. We out.